tayo sa and back again. Dito tayo sa kababayan. Homesick Center. Kabayan Hypermarket Center. Punta po ako. Tingin ko may customer sila. Akyat tayo sa taas. Good. $69, no price, $69. Ang bata man pala yun. Pambata. How much like this?
69.
69. This for
Unisex.
but nice, huh? I like.
149 before, now 69. It's complete.
Wow.
And this one 99.
Before.
No.
Here.
Now.
Now.
Now 99. Before 250.
Oh. I like this. This okay for me?
Yes, okay. You try.
Dito tayo sa Puma, guys. Nag-sale sila, guys, ng Puma. Puma.
Nice color.
Thank you. Like this, how much?
This one 250 before, now only 99.
Oh,
Yes, this is original.
yeah.
We try this one also, no problem. 39. Sit, you try.
No, kalas this one only. Because,
This one is also good quality.
yes, good quality, but my money. Next month again. It's coming my salary.
One more.
One more, BBQ. Hello, Miss Tita. Maghintay ako ng order, guys. Hello, ang cute naman. Kami sa shopping. Sunod yung Chowking. Chowking na pala, oh. Halo-halo pala sa Chowking. Tayo, bidaang sarap. Tagal ng ating order. Na guys, kuha na yung ating order. Uwi na tayo, guys. Ganda ng blouse, guys. Ay, naku, saka na. Saka na lang ako kasi ako, uwi na tayo. Ang gaan-gaan mo. Scam tayo nga, nangabali-bali balakang natin, ano?